Hey everyone, welcome back to this Solidity tutorial series. In this video, we are covering two very important topics when working with Ethereum smart contracts: Ether, units, and gas. Let's dive in. Ether and Gwei. Ethereum transactions are paid in Ether, just like how $1 equals 100 cents. 1 Ether equals 10 power 18 Gwei. Okay, in Solidity there are built-in keywords to work with Ether units. Here's what this means. 1 Gwei is the smallest unit, equal to 1. 1 Gwei equals 1 billion Gwei or 10 power 9 Gwei. 1 Ether equals 10 power 18 Gwei. That's a lot of zeros. You can use these units directly in your code to handle currency values clearly and accurately. I can deploy it. True. 1 with a lot of 0, 1 with 9 0, and this return 1. Okay. Gas in Ethereum. Now let's talk about gas. The cost of executing code on the Ethereum virtual machine. When you send a transaction, you pay. Gas used multiply gas price. That computed with this formula, gas used multiple to gas price. Okay, here's what that means. Gas is a unit of computation. Gas is spent in the amount of computation your transaction needs. Gas price is how much Ether you're willing to pay per unit of gas. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.